Okay, guys, let's quickly look at Bitcoin. Let's quickly look at the area that could signal a buy or a sell signal on Bitcoin. Yesterday, I was checking my Bitcoin chart, and it dawned on me that we are, as currently Bitcoin is trying to shoot up to go fulfill some levels. Then from there we can now sell off. So I'm just doing this for day traders who are willing to take the short buy for now and sell later, which mine also, I'm keeping my eyes on it. If it aligns properly, I'm also going to be taking this buy to the upside first, and then we can sell later. Let's quickly look at from monthly perspective. Let's look at from monthly perspective. If you understand how to count wave properly, you will understand what is going on here. We have this first wave here, we have second wave here. For those who understand how to count this wave, once a breakout occur, we always have wave one, wave two, wave three. We just have wave one here, wave two. We are looking to create another wave. Wave three is always the longest wave, and wave four is the shortest. Not really shorter. Wave four is always shorter than wave three, and wave five is always the reversal. Most time it reverse the trend. So currently now we are on this particular wave two now. We are on wave two. Here is wave one. I don't want to count this because this appear as a reversal. So sometimes we don't count the major trend that caused the reversal. We count the pullbacks. The pullbacks is what we focus on. So the pullback, we have wave one here. This one also, we have wave two. Now we are looking for wave three. So now we want to sell, right? We are looking to sell. But currently now, let's look for a potential zone where we could be looking to short from. Then we pick our fifth zone from swing high where the market collapse from. Then we drop to the where the market stop. If you check where the market stop here, you can see that it aligns well. Xness, leave here. It aligns well on this particular box here. This is 50% retracement, and this is 0.618 retracement level. So this particular zone here, that is why I kept my box there. I will be waiting for the market to get to this particular zone, this particular fifth zone, 50% fifth zone, and 0.618 fifth zone, which is the golden zone. Once the market get to this particular zone here, what I will be waiting for is a change of trend. Let me delete this Fibonacci so that we've gotten the information we needed. We know where we are keeping our eyes on. Let me delete this fifth zone. So now that is why I put in my box here. Well, we'll be waiting for something similar, something that happened here before. It has happened here. If you check on the lower time frame, I don't want to switch for now, you will see that it also happened here. So we'll be waiting for the same thing also to happen here. We'll also be mindful of stop loss run. So we've gotten what we need. We know that this zone is where we are looking to sell from. This zone is what we are looking to sell from. Once the market gets there, we'll wait for a bounce. We'll just allow the market to do a stop loss run, and we can now join the trend to downside. So if you check, this is my extension, 52,000 per coin. This is my extension. But people are still predicting that Bitcoin may fall lower, but I'm not of that opinion. I will just be trading what I'm seeing currently. This is my extension. If you take your fifth zone from swing low, here, from swing low to from swing high to swing low, you drop it here, you drop it to the recent this thing. You can see we have our golden zone here, we have our 0.6 zone here, and we have our 0.6 here. We have our golden zone in the center. Then we have our extension. Then we have our extension, which is minus 0.27, which is this extension. That is why I keep my line here. So if Bitcoin can successfully break this particular low here, I'm predicting that it will extend more downward momentum to this particular zone. It may fall below, and it may also not fall below. That is why I'm just keeping it super simple. Here will be my first TP, of course. No, let me delete this. Here will be my first TP, of course. Here will be my first TP, but I don't want to put it there. I don't want a lot of line to be in my chart. Now let's quickly go over to daily and see what we have on daily. You can see that on daily, let me quickly show you something here. Something happened there when the market was rallying up. E gave us this particular pattern here, this particular pattern on a trend line, and e did what? And from there e shoot up at least e shoot up significantly a little bit. You get? I don't know if that English is correct, but anyway, let's move on. E shoot up from here. The moment e give us this pattern on a trend line, e shoot up. So the same thing is happening here again. Bitcoin wants to give us a, remember, this is a pullback. Remember, this is a pullback, right? So now, for those that will be willing to trade this particular pullback, what happened here before in the past, or we also know that it can still happen again in the future. So we are looking for this particular recent move now. Bitcoin has also give us the same pattern that they gave us here, and we're on the first touch, second touch, third touch. Now, what will Bitcoin do next? I'm looking for Bitcoin. Let's go over to 4 hour. 4 hour is our entry time frame. You can see that Bitcoin, it gave us this chart pattern, gave us this nice chart pattern. Yes, this W pattern, some the double bottom, it gave us nicely and it broke above it. But when it's about breaking above it, something happened here. It gave us this fair value gap here, a lot of space here. So that is why I put in my boss here, and I will be waiting for this guy to come back for a proper retest of this particular zone, something like this. This is when I will consider going long, temporarily long, not really uh full long. If this guy can come here, we are just waiting. I'm still waiting. A third touch of this trend line, maybe do a stop loss run on this particular zone here, do a stop loss run, then close back, then give us this is and a weakness exhaustion. Then we can now think to buy up. If we buy up, where will be our target? We'll be targeting this zone here, this weekly zone here. That is where our box is from the weekly perspective. So that will be where we'll be targeting from. So keep your eyes on this particular zone here. Let me delete this. Keep your eyes on this particular zone here, this inefficiency zone. We're waiting for Bitcoin to come and tap into that zone. Let's go on to 1 hour. You can see that 1 hour is also the same thing. Let's just wait. I always take my trade on 4 hours. Let's wait on 4 hours to see what we have here. It will also be a third touch of a trend line. So if we also bring our fifth zone from the 4 hour perspective, we get our fifth zone from swing low, the recent swing low, to swing high where the market stop. You can see that also the 0.5 is also lining inside this box here. 50% retracement is lining inside this box, and we have another 0.618 is also lining. So wait patiently before the week runs out, or before Thursday, Friday, we will know what the market will give us. So that is all I have for you guys. That is all. I just let me update you guys. I've also updated my people in my WhatsApp platform that this is what we are looking at. So I decided to do a short video to update you guys, to know what is going on, what we're waiting for. Our trade on Euro AUD is playing us well. We are still holding. So that is all for now. If you like the way I teach, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't also like it, give me a dislike, but tell me in the comment box below what to do to improve in my next video. As you all know, nobody knows it all. I'm here to learn, you are here to learn. You learn from me, I learn from you, until we attain the level which I call the CPT, consistent profitable trader. I'm not consistent profitable trader. A lot of people has been asking me about my course. Currently, I don't have any course for now. I don't have any course. But if you really want to join me the way I trade, you want to see my analysis and the way we do our things, you can get the ebook that has helped me. I bought this ebook sometimes last 2 years, and ever since then it has transformed the way I'm seeing trade, the way I use Fibonacci, the way I trade generally. So you can get the ebook. Once you get the ebook, you can message me. I will add you to our WhatsApp platform where we can be trading together. We'll do analysis twice a week, weekly review and all those stuff on there. So get the ebook. The ebook will also teach you how to analyze like this. The ebook will also shape your career. It will teach you everything you need to know about trading. So get it and message me on Telegram. Bye for now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a like if you like my video. Bye for now, guys.